be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now I wasn't even gonna try for these because my luck with these kind of shoes has always been just terrible, right? But you know what? I said the day that these released on Monday, right? The 15th of April. I said, you know what? Let me just give it a shot. Just give it a shot for the hell of it. And luckily I got them on them. I didn't think that I was gonna be able to get it, but I got them on these. So let's go ahead and bring them in. I don't want to show you guys my address, but as you can see, this box comes from Nike. All right. So let's go ahead and bring them out. Boom. Alright, see this Nike box. Alright, Nike box. You can probably tell what these are just from the box. You can see the air units there. Alright, and then here is the bottom of the box, and here is the top of the box. Alright, these are the Air Max 86 Jackie Robinson. Alright, colorway is Midnight Navy, Obsidian, and Sail. And I got these in a size 14, excuse me. And the retail on these was $150. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into these. You can see there's that clear top of the box where the swoosh is, and then the paper on the inside is that striped paper. Nothing super special there. Alright, but of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very nice shoe, man. Very clean. Great quality. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at the quality on these. Air Max 86. Jackie Robinson. To celebrate Jackie Robinson Day. Alright. And you can see the 42, his number 42 there at the top on that patch. And then also down here with the swoosh. Hopefully you all can see that and the light's not blinding it out, but there's the 42 with the swoosh there. On the back, gold Nike Air. There we go, focus. Alright, and then I like the gold hits on the eyelets there. How they switched that up. The gold on the eyelets. And then look at the swoosh. It's not just that solid blue, that solid midnight navy or obsidian. It looks like there's a design going in it. If you all can see that, it looks kind of like wind. Like wind is blowing through the swoosh. All right, like a gust of wind. Maybe that's what it's supposed to represent. I don't know, but looks like a gust of wind to me. And then the big air unit, the big bubble. All right, I was trying to compare them to these, But you can see that these don't have that large of an air unit. But yeah, this is actually my first time having a pair of the 86s, like the original ones with the big air unit. I've struck out on every other one. Alright. But on the inside, let me take the paper out, because I have not seen, it looks like the lace, oh, okay. Got some gold lace tips. Take the paper out of here. And then on the lace tips, we got gold lace tips there. Do they say anything on them? No. But they are like the metallic gold. Let me see if I can. Yeah, there's that metallic gold on there. White laces, kind of sail laces, and that metallic gold on the edge there. On the inside it says, specially designed for Jackie Robinson Day, April 15th, 2024 by Nike Sportswear, Beaverton, Oregon, USA. Alright, that's what the message says on the inside of the shoe. Very nice touch. And then anything behind the tongue? Nothing behind the tongue there. I like this 42 patch with the swoosh on it. I like it, man. Hit of the gum bottom there, and then you got, of course, that obsidian. All right, very nice, man. Kind of the perforated toe box area there for breathability, and then this is like a suede kind of nubuck on the white here. Is that more suede-like material. And then this is kind of more of a smoother nubuck. Alright, the blue right around here is that smoother nubuck. It's a very nice shoe. The quality is on point all the way around. The only thing I will say is that gonna have to be careful with this white right here. Gonna have to be careful. Not this white, because that's easily, you can wipe this right off. But this white that's a little bit up here, gonna have to be careful with that, because that might get dirty. But let's check out the right boy and see if there's anything different. Before I bring that out, you can see that there is a 14 right here in black, so you can see your size on the shoe. All right, very nice. Let's see if there's any differences. There aren't any. But let me just show you real quick. I'm not even gonna do the full intro for the right shoe. They do have the waxed laces. All right, the waxed blue laces. Everything else is exactly the same. So we don't need to make a big deal about the right shoe. Same everything. All right, but they do have the extra laces on the right shoe, and these are the waxed blue laces. All right, so that's a nice touch. I think that will be a little bit too much. I like how the white offsets the blue on this shoe. So yeah, I won't be putting the blue ones in. I'm just gonna leave the white ones in so that it's not too much blue. All right, but you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on, wrong shoe, on feet. All right, here we are on feet with the Jackie Robinson Air Max 86. All right, very nice, very nice, very comfortable. All right, I will say, great size, 14 for these. I could probably get away with a 13.5, which is like my true size, but I like the fit of the 14 here because it's a little bit narrow going down to the toe box area. So the 14 feels perfectly fine. Toe is right there. So if you would like a snug fit, I would say get your true size. But if you like to have a little bit of room, then go with a half size up. All right, definitely don't size down. All right. Then we'll get some of that coming at you. Nice bottom brown there. Then you can see that gold hit. All right. Coming at you. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Definitely a dope pickup. Glad that I was able to get these. Got lucky on these. Unfortunately, these are sold out, so I can't say if you like them, make sure you head over to Nike and pick them up. They're gone. You can't go get them. They sold out pretty quickly. All right, but maybe check the resale sites if you really gotta have them. The last I looked though, prices were kind of high. I don't like to pay the super high resale prices. I've done it before because there were certain shoes that I gotta have them, but resale on these, the last I saw, were well into the 340, 350 range. So maybe wait it out, see if it drops a little bit, but that's what it's looking like right now. But these are definitely a great shoe, great quality, great quality. The materials and the build and all the materials and everything that they use on this shoe, amazing. You can see it. You can see it visually on the shoe through the camera. Like sometimes I look at shoes through the lens here and through the camera, and I'll say it's not giving it justice. Like the quality, it's not giving the quality of the shoe justice in person. But these are outstanding. These are great. All right. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.